Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by turning on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. QuickShare needs both. Once done, open Settings, go to Convenience Tools and enable QuickShare. Set visibility to contacts or everyone depending on your privacy needs. Now pick the photo or file in Gallery or Files, tap Share and choose QuickShare. This first step links devices quickly and securely so you can discover recipients. It speeds pairing and avoids manual QR or code exchanges. You should see nearby Oneplus devices populate the Quick Share picker immediately. If not, make sure recipients also have visibility on. Tap the desired device name, then ask them to accept the incoming transfer prompt. Acceptance completes a secure handshake. Once accepted, the files transfer over a fast local Wi-Fi link. Watch the progress indicator and keep both phones within range. This method avoids cloud uploads and is faster for large photos or videos. When the transfer ends, check the recipient's Gallery or Files app to confirm the item saved correctly. If a transfer fails, first toggle visibility off and on, then restart Wi-Fi or Bluetooth on both phones. This usually clears discovery problems. If issues persist, make sure Oxygen OS is up to date and that nearby devices or location permissions are granted. Those permissions let QuickShare discover peers. If you follow these steps, transfer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.